Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Brooklyn K. Today we are going to be doing these fun tie-dye eyes. I'm so excited to show you how it's done. As always, please subscribe if you want to see more makeup tutorials and videos from me, and make sure if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out and helps me and my channel succeed. So if you would like to see how to get these fun tie-dye eyes, please keep watching. Hi guys! Alright, so let's get started on these tie-dye eyes. I'm so excited for this. This will be my first attempt, so let's see how they go. I already have my brows done during quarantine. I've gotten bored, so I shaved off half of my eyebrows just so they're a little bit more lifted and so I have more lid space to work with. I don't really recommend that to just like everybody, but I wanted to change, so I did it. First thing, I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. This is like one of the OG, like I feel like YouTube products. It's great. So I'm using it as a base just so the neon colors can really pop with it. Putting that on just all over. And it'll look a little crazy at first, but believe me, this is the best way for if you're doing any sort of colorful look, for the colors to look really vibrant and just give the best color payoff. And then I'm gonna do that to the other eye as well, and then I'll be back. Okay, so we are back and I have one eye done and then the other eye prepped. I've used quite a few palettes, so hopefully you guys have some that are similar at home, or just any neon fun colors that you have. All right, so the first shade we have up here is this kind of like Tiffany blue color. I wish I would have gone in with a brighter blue. So I just used this one, but it's not very neon, so I ended up having to kind of go in with their color. And the brightest one that I've found is the one in the Huda Beauty palette, Mercury and Retrograde. So this is the shade Hate, and I'm gonna go in there and just go right under the brow bone. Make sure you pack up that brush with that color. Load it up, don't be scared. And I'm just kind of going in right in where the brow is, you can see. And we're using all matte shades. There is no shimmer in this look, just so you can get that detail in there. I'm coming up close just so you can kind of see what's going on. And then I will be going in with Conspiracy and using the shade Food Videos, which is that nice neon yellow. And this is a Makeup Shack T65 brush. Just focusing on packing, and then we'll add detail a little bit later, but pack in that area. So just load it up. And I'm looking down into a mirror, and this way looking down really makes sure that I'm maximizing all of the lid space that I have, which isn't a lot, but you know, we work with what we were given. And then just kind of flick up, and that kind of starts to create that shape. It's a lot of back and forth, so just be patient with yourself. This look takes a while. Obviously, it's not an everyday look. Okay, now we're gonna go in with Food Videos on this teeny little brush. This is a crown brush, I believe, and it is a 170-0, if that helps you guys out at all. It's a really cheap brush, but it works wonders. So just as you can see, kind of flicking up. I'm gonna go in with the JH2, and we're gonna use Homebody and Feeling Myself and just mix those. Going in, using a little bit of a different method, so just drawing kind of like little stripes. This is also giving me major Scooby-Doo vibes because of the Mystery Machine. If any of you watched that as kids, let me know, because I loved that show. And then I'm kind of just blending and flicking. And then I'm doing little mini flicks in between those. And now that the orange is done, I'm using that same brush, and I just have a little paper towel that I'm wiping it off with. And then the next shade I'm going in with, which didn't really show up on this side, but it just helps things blend a little bit better, is Tipsy Girl. And since you can't see this one as well when it's flicked up into the orange because they're so close, I'm just focusing on making sure that there's a good blend. going in with Therapy Sesh from the Jaclyn Hill palette and a little bit of this Not My Journey color, kind of mixing those. Which on the other eye, that's where I kind of stopped, but I felt like it just needed more, so I added the blue, and I feel like it really, really brought it together. Okay, so now that we have that purple in there, we're gonna go in with that gorgeous cobalt blue. I'm so sorry, this palette has been discontinued. It's the Urban Decay Electric palette, but I couldn't find anything with this bright of a blue in my collection. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna fix it later, but that sucks, dang it. I'm gonna take a little bit of the NYX pencil. Let's zoom you guys in again. And take it onto the center. I'm gonna go in with Haze, which was the first shade we went in with on the brow bone. And then I'm gonna go in with Food Videos, which is the neon yellow from Conspiracy, and pop that in the center. I just feel like it's a nice, happy ending for this look. And then I'm just kind of going back and forth, making sure the looks are all even, because you know, no tie-dye is exactly the same, so if yours isn't exactly the same, it's okay. I'll zoom in so you can kind of see. I will do the rest of my face and then I will be back to do the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm back and I will let you guys know what I used on my face. So for primer slash moisturizer, I used the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It is incredible. If you have not tried it, I highly recommend trying it. For foundation, I use the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. I love this one. It never breaks me out. Just nice, good coverage. It's buildable. I like it. Like nice medium coverage, I'd say. And then I used the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer with a satin finish. I've been loving this. For contour, I used the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette, which I have been in love with. I don't know what took me so long to pick this thing up, but I love it. It's like $8. It's incredible. And I used these two shades. For the lower lash line, we're gonna take the cobalt blue and I'm going to put that into my waterline. Let's do some hot pink. I'm gonna put this kind of on the outer edge. So now I'm gonna go in with the coral orange shade that we used. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Food Videos. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna take Supermoon from the Huda Beauty palette, just on my pinky, and just press it there. It's nice because this shade is just a white shade, so it kind of just takes on whatever color is underneath it. So it gives the cobalt blue that extra pop. I'm gonna use mascara. This is my favorite mascara. It is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Okay, so I decided I'm going to apply lashes, and the lashes that I'm going to use are the Kiss Faux Mink collection in the style Midnight. And I'm going to be using their Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. I love this glue, it's awesome. And then I will pop those on and I'll be right back. Hi everyone, so I'm back with my lashes on, and now we are going to go in with blush. And this is kind of a fun little trick that I'm going to teach you guys. I'm going to apply highlighter first, and this is Bobbi Brown's Sunset Glow. So gorgeous. I'm going to apply it to the cheek area, kind of like I would with blush. And then get my blush brush, put a little more of that highlighter on, and then go into a cream blush. This shade is Calypso Coral by Bobbi Brown. You can use any cream, any highlighter you want. You can use a powder blush too, but I love how this looks. And then just apply it on top, and it gives you this gorgeous, gorgeous look. For lips, I'm gonna go in with Soar by MAC. The lipstick, I'm gonna use Kylie Jenner's matte liquid lipstick in the shade Candy K. And then just to nude it out a teeny bit more, I'm gonna use Rimmel's Moisture Renew lipstick in Nude Delight, just on the center. Which you can use any nude lipstick, but it just gives you that nice pout. And then just to set it all down, I'm gonna use the Badescu Rosewater Spray. And cover my eyes because I don't want them to get ruined. Okay, and then that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any other requests, please let me know.